Good morning, Abraham. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm just popping on to show you what you'll be doing today. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over your assignments for the day, your schedule. So, you have morning work, writing, reading, math, and then you have social studies with Mr. Lee. And then remember to check out your gym folder with Mr. Robinson. That usually posts around 11:30. So the first thing you're going to do is your morning calendar. You're going to click Starfall, interact with that. I gave you full access so that during the day or on the weekends, if you want to do Starfall, you could just put in the username and the password that I have over here. So that's extra fun. So the first thing you're going to do are your morning work slides. So good morning, the greeting I chose today. You can either move the box that you chose into the white rectangle, or you can move the yellow circle over the square that you want. I just did two different options. Whatever one you want to do is perfect. So you're going to identify the month, the day, the year, and then this is new and fun. You're going to find out what the weather is like in your area. So you're going to click your city and it shows you. So this says New York. So right now it's 59 degrees. So after you find out the weather in your area, you're going to tell me by either dragging the square up into the rectangle or dragging the circle, the oval, onto the square. So then you have your writing assignment on slide number 10. So all you do is click the clipboard to write your sentences. But remember, what do I always tell you? You have to first, who is this person? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a child? Is it an adult? So you're going to write the who. And what is the boy or the girl doing? You're going to tell me what they're doing. And also you're going to tell me where. Now look outside. Does it look like it's dark? Does it look like it's light out? Does it look like they're inside, outside? So you're going to tell me all this information. And remember, always start with a capital letter and always end your sentences with a period. And just try your best. You can also tell your mom or your sister what you see and they can help you write the story, okay? Then you're going to, this is just extra practice. I found this really cool website. It's free, I believe, and you could just get some extra typing practice. Now this is new. We have iReady, and this is going to be your reading in your math assignment. Your username is your OIS number, which your mom or dad will help you with. Your password is the same, and then the state is New York. So all you do is click the link. You put in your username and password, your OIS number, and New York, and you press go, and it brings you to your math and your reading assignment. And then to end the day, which you could do this in any order, you're going to level up and listen and read a book on Raz-Kids. And then yay, you're done for the day. I know you're going to do amazing. You always do. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Abraham.